Want to speed up data entry in Excel? Macros can save you time and effort by automating repetitive tasks. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to record a macro for smooth data entry. Let's dive in.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
First, I would like to share the highlights that what we will learn in this tutorial. So here in this sheet, you can see that I have the data entry table where I have arranged the information that I want to save. And next to this table, I have a save button. And when I will click this save button, the information will automatically save in this data sheet. So how we can develop this? Let's learn it step by step. First of all, I will go to this developer tab, and here I will click this insert and choose this button, and I will draw this button over here. I will give name to this macro and click OK. I will click on this button to rename it. I will name it to save. Next, I will select all this and copy it. And I will create another sheet, and here in this sheet I will right click and then paste it while transposing it. I will select all these columns and simultaneously I will increase the width. After this, I will just format my table in the way I want. I'll go to the home tab. I will apply border to it. Fill any color to the headers so that they stand out. After this, I'll again go back to the sheet 1, and here I will enter the information about our first record. Once I have entered the information, I'll go to the developer tab again. Now this time I will click this record macro. I will give name it to data entry. I will click OK. After this, I will select all this information and copy it. I will go to the sheet 2, and here I will first click on this cell, that is F1. That is right next to my last heading, and then I will click Control plus down arrow, then Control plus left arrow, and after this Control plus up arrow. After this, I will click this use relative references, and then I will go to the cell A2, and again I will click on this use relative references. After this, I will right click here and paste the information while transposing it. I will come back to my sheet 1, and now I will click on this stop recording. So now our macro have been recorded. Once I have recorded my macro, I would like to link that macro with this save button. So I will right click on this button and click on this assign macro. Here I will choose this data entry macro and then just click OK. So now if I add another information, after filling the information, I just need to click this save button, and now we will check in this sheet 2 that the information is recorded just by putting that information into this box. Now that you have learned to record macros, start automating your work today. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it with others. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I am here to help.